heal our wounds. Like medicine they seem, but whenever I feel the pain, your voice is all I need.
No one here understands the reasons why you left, but let me remind you that if you're here to just fall apart, then let me put back the pieces together. I'll do it all over and over again. I'll do it all over and over again. 'Cause you're the one who feels my heart when it feels so sad and so hollow. When I want it to, all I do. When you feel like you've had enough, 'cause this world leaves you hurting and lonely, then let me be the one who feels my heart when it feels so sad and so hollow.